Plasson Series 1. The push fittings you can install in half the time of standard metric compression fittings, and you don't need any tools. Available in sizes up to 63mm, with an innovative grip ring system that delivers leak-free PE pipe connections and easy transitions to PEX or copper. To install, mark the pipe using the handy indicator. Chamfer and lube the pipe and push. The joint is ready for full pressure up to 16 bar. The tamper-proof nut offers security for installs on building sites, farms and parks. And Series 1 can be disassembled using a special tool and safely reused. Series 1, the one you want for your next job.